In this video, I'm going to teach you guys top-down analysis and how to use top-down analysis on your trade. Guys, if you know how to use top-down analysis, you become very profitable because top-down analysis helps you to accurately dictate or tell the market direction, and it ensures that your trade analysis all outlines in all the time frames you get. Thought analysis is very simple. It involves you doing your analysis right from your entry time frame, which could be your 15 minutes time frame, your 5 minutes time frame, down to your 1 hour time frame, your 4 hours time, but then your 4 hours time frame, your daily time frame. With top down analysis, you are very sure that your entry or your analysis is very correct because you start your analysis from the daily time frame or for 4 hours or 1 hour time frame you get. When you do top analysis, you really mark key levels in your higher time frame because price will most likely respect your higher time frame key level than your lower time frame key levels you get. So if you know this, if you are used trading with 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame is your entry level or your entry time frame. 1 hour time frame should be your higher time frame. Why? If your entry time frame is 1 hour, the daily time frame should be your higher time frame you get. So to do top analysis, the first is to choose your higher time frame or your entry time frame. For me, my entry time frame is actually 15 minutes time frame you get. So my higher time will be 1 hour. So but for the sake of this video, I will actually start from the daily time frame. Get to show you guys how this thing works. And it's very easy. I get like in the video to like to go back to on the bell icon. So guys, as you can see on the higher time frame, which is daily time frame, you can see that market is moving in an uptrend, as you can see right in an uptrend. So the daily time frame actually tells that market is moving in an uptrend. And what you can probably do is mark out what key levels. You get this place is actually very key, is actually a very good key level, and this is a key level. But if you know the market direction forward from your higher time frame, so you go down to the 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, what you're looking for is what is also key levels. So as you can see right here, this is an order block, right? This is an order block on the 4 hours time frame. I can see price has come down to test it and it's going to go up. You get markets will be buying or any bullish trend and probably it's going to get to this particular place. This might be the top, which is what the previous resistance. So people get into this particular trade probably make money from it because they'll see this was actually a very good entry. So from the 4 hours time frame, as mark out our key levels, which is this key demand zone and this very key was supply zone. So in a 4 hours time frame, I'm going to find out that everything still aligns. You get everything still aligns. So in the 4 hours, in the 1 hour time frame, you can also mark out your key level. You can see it still aligns, but I'm not going to use this, but I'll be entry with the 15 minutes time frame. So what I'll be doing is simply deleting this particular box, right? I'll be deleting this right here. I'm going to zoom so that I can see the key levels. So what I'll be doing now is mark the most recent key levels. You get it? That's what I'll be doing. So I'll be entering with the 15 minutes time frame. I need to mark out the most recent key levels. So you can see there's a break of structure the upside at this place. There's another break of structure at this particular place. There's another break of structure to the upside. So what I'll be doing is simply look for what the demand zone that causes because of the upside. Again, as you can see, there are two demand zones, right? There's one at this particular place. This is on a demand zone, and here is also another demand zone that causes this space. So if you want to trade now, it's really need to wait for price to come down to this particular place again. This particular trade strategy actually outlines the smart money concept. You get smart money concept, you wait for a break of the upside, then you should look for an inducement or a liquidity pullback, and there should be a favorable gap, another block or demand zone where you should take your trade from. So as you can see, I mark out two key levels on this page. What you're looking for is to go down to the 15 minute time frame and see if this particular key levels actually aligns with what we saw you get. So as you can see, this key levels actually outlines. You can see right on this place. So from the 15 minutes time frame, it's going to take a longer time for this particular price to come to this other key levels. But as you can see, this space price will most likely come to this key level first before going to this key level. So what we will be doing is waiting for confirmation. 15 minutes time frame is our confirmation you get. So as you can see, what we'll be doing is simply we find this particular our point of interest by simply reducing this, you get reducing this to this place. And here is a fair value gap. So you simply wait for what for price or for market to go to retrace it down to this particular place. And once price reaches this particular place, we can simply take our entry gate and simply enter and target this. So yeah, this simply are total analysis work. It is very much easy. It is very much easy. So you can see total analysis has already found very good trade that we could potentially enter. And this trade analysis actually works alongside with smart money concept and other trade strategies that I know. Okay, if I'm using smart money concept to trade, what I actually do is still the same thing. Market break of structure, which is this, and you can see this was a what the demand zone that causes break of structure, and here is my liquidity zone. One need to do wait for price to retrace this down to this particular place. So if price retrace to this particular place and tap this zone, what I should do is be looking for me to buy again. Also buy and target this zone again. Simple. So guys, this is a simple method on how it works. If you have any question, I'm in the comment section. I'll make a video on smart money concept. You can watch that video. The link is it will be in the description box. Yeah, I can do my Telegram WhatsApp community for more of this kind of content. I'll see my next video. Peace out.